Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Time Concept. As we all know, we're living life in a new normal. We're staying at home longer, we're working from home, that kids are at home schooling. So because we're spending more time at home, a lot of people have taken up gardening. Whether it's growing herbs, growing flowers, different types of greenery in your home to kind of brighten things up. The one thing that you have to have, well, besides plants and pots, would be a watering can. And at Time Concept, we have a variety of watering cans, and I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce them to you. So the first one that I have is what we call the 1 liter watering can. I always just call it the oil can because it reminds me of an old school oil can. But as you can see, it's beautiful in either colorway. The circular handle is ergonomically correct, so it allows for easy pouring. Fun for smaller kids, easy for them to grab a hold of. Now please note that the copper is detailed in silver, while the black is all solid black. I mean, this is a little bit more pewter kind of color, if you will, but again, it definitely reads as black. This is the 1 liter in either color option. And we also have what we call the 2.5 liter. Bigger, obviously. As I stated, it comes in the all black also, so let me go ahead and bring that one out too so you guys can see them side by side. 2.5 liters of water will fit in this. Amazing piece if you're also looking for your watering can to be a decorative and to make a statement. You could also put fresh cut flowers in here. What a gorgeous centerpiece that would be. You know, you're on a Zoom call, grab some tulips, grab some wildflowers, put them in here. How fun would that be? We have these 2 fun little buckets. Now, obviously they're not watering cans, but if you've got like indoor gardening tools or your seeds, or maybe you're an artist and you have paintbrushes and pens and rulers. My daughter has pens for days. This is a great little storage piece. Comes in both black and silver. It's got a fun handle if you've got hooks in your house and you want to hang them up, maybe in a kid's art room. Awesome idea on these. Also fun centerpieces if you're doing kind of that rural type wedding or a family get together because you've all been socially distancing and hanging out. Maybe you want to liven it up. Go ahead and use these. Finally, we have what we can call our classical watering cans. There's 3 in this particular series, the 1 liter. So again, you can see the difference a liter makes, right? So it just all depends on the shape. It has little ridges here. It's kind of a copperish black color. Again, another fun one for little hands. Super lightweight on that. 1.3 liters on this one. Again, that same kind of copper with a black tint to it. Ergonomically correct handle. And again, just as with the liter series, these are gonna look great sitting on a shelf, on a windowsill, anywhere in your home. The original copper watering can that we had is our classical watering can. It reminds me sometimes of a really cool, like a teapot or a kettle. It's got the ridges here, makes for really nice pouring, makes it really easy, not so much stress on the wrist. Again, nice construction on this, circular all the way around. Those are our watering cans. Those of you that know, we also have the spray sprinkler, but these right here tend to be more of a decorative piece, could definitely tie in as a piece of home decor, and I highly recommend for somebody who's looking for a unique gift or that unique something to kind of liven up a display, liven up a windowsill, or even as a centerpiece. All right, gang, thanks for watching. This has been Watering Cans with Lynn from Time Concept. Have a good one.